Hello everyone. Today we have an inspiring story about a boy who was lazy but incredibly smart. By the end of this tale, we'll learn how someone can overcome laziness and achieve great things with determination and creativity. But that's not all. While listening to the story, we'll also explore new words and practice building sentences in English. Let's dive into the story and stay tuned till the end. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by lush green fields, there lived a boy named Leo. He lived with his parents in a modest house near the forest. Leo wasn't very fond of hard work. He preferred relaxing under the shade of trees rather than helping out around the farm. However, every day his father would ask him to guard their vegetable garden from mischievous rabbits that often nibbled on the crops. Most villagers use scarecrows or loud noises to keep the rabbits away, but Leo wanted an easier solution. Instead of standing guard all day, he built a series of wooden traps and set them up around the garden. These traps didn't harm the rabbits, but scared them off effectively. This way, Leo could sit back, read books, or even take naps while still doing his job. His father noticed Leo's cleverness, but worried about his lack of effort. "What will happen if I'm not here?" he thought. One summer, during a severe drought, Leo's father fell ill and couldn't work anymore. The responsibility of maintaining the farm fell entirely on Leo. At first, he struggled. Without his father's guidance, the plants began to wilt due to lack of water. Feeling helpless and guilty, Leo sat outside one evening, gazing at the stars. He realized that his laziness had put his family's livelihood at risk. Determined to change, he decided to find a way to save the farm. The next morning, as Leo walked through the village, he overheard people talking about a grand competition organized by the king. The winner would receive a large sum of money and a plot of fertile land. Inspired, Leo saw this as an opportunity to help his family. Despite everyone laughing at the idea of a lazy boy winning such a contest, Leo confidently signed up. After 3 days of traveling, Leo reached the palace. The competition began with participants gathered near a vast river. The challenge was simple: swim across the river to the other side. As others jumped into the water and started swimming furiously, Leo stayed behind, thinking creatively. He quickly gathered some bamboo sticks and tied them together to make a raft. Using a long stick as a paddle, he floated smoothly across the river. While others grew tired from swimming, Leo reached the finish line effortlessly, finishing third and advancing to the next round. In the final challenge, each contestant received a heavy stone block. They had to transport it 1 kilometer to the finish line using only one tool of their choice. Most competitors chose ropes or levers to drag the block. Leo, however, took his time observing and thinking. Then he selected a small chisel. Everyone was confused. How could a chisel possibly help move such a massive block? Leo used the chisel to carve the block into a wheel-like shape. Once completed, instead of pushing the heavy block, he simply rolled it along the path. With ease and speed, he surpassed all the other contestants and crossed the finish line first. The crowd erupted in cheers, amazed by Leo's ingenuity. This story teaches us that intelligence and creativity can sometimes be more powerful than brute strength. It also shows that laziness isn't permanent if you have a strong reason to work hard. Like protecting your family or achieving your dreams, you can overcome any obstacle. Today, we've also learned new vocabulary and practice forming sentences through this engaging story. Remember, learning English can be fun when you approach it with curiosity and consistency. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.